Okay, scam of the day. So I'll show you. I was talking with this company. So as you can see, is UNMSS. I think is United National Maintenance. I think this is their website for now. I think the domain I was trying to search for the domain that I saw here, but it doesn't work. So I think that is the other domain, but it doesn't matter. So here I'll show you if you want to their phone number just in case. So as you can see, this is the guy. I don't know if the guy is still work in this place. So he told me, okay, go to Best Buy and clog the toilet. And I said, okay, no problem, we can do that. So I said, okay, I'm going to charge you. As you can see, I said between 250 and 300. 350 depending on what is needed. They say, okay, great. So we went, we did the job, everything was good. We had the paper. The guy told me, okay, just sign, put this name, the date, what was done, the urinal unclogged done, all this working. The guy, the manager signed the paperwork, and that's it. So I say, okay, here is the paperwork, just pay me. And you see, December 20th, hey, no payment yet. 21, any news? 22, payment. 22, again, later, payment. Later, 24, payment. And the only thing that he paid me was 300 of 350, and I say, hey, balance you $50, and that's it. He never paid, he never replied. So now what happened? There is another guy, same company, TED.R, the same domain. As you can see, he said, hey, yes, go to this place. Can you do the repair? I don't know what he want me to do. And I said, okay, yeah, no problem, we can do that. And I said, okay, the price is going to be X. And I say, hey, are you going to pay me or what? And he said, well, let me talk with the other guy. So as you can see, he never reply or anything like that. So basically, these people, they're scammers. And I sent the guy, the same message saying, hey, yes, this is where I went. This is the work order, the address, everything. I did everything that they told me. I showed him, hey, you see, this is the text message. I was talking with the other guy, and that's it. So they don't care. They don't ask. I mean, they will call you, go do the job. We will pay you in 24 hours or 48. And that's it. I said, no, if you don't pay me in advance, I will not go. Just forget it. And that's it. So that is my advice. If you have to do something like that, you see, I am with United National Maintenance. We are always pay within 24 48 hours after job completion. And I say, yes, I know, but we cannot take that risk. See, I say, hey, you have to pay me because last time the guy didn't pay me the bill, and that's it. So as you can see, don't work for them. They're a scam. As you can see, I have proof of that. So there are many scammers like that. So this type of companies, they try to outsource, everything. If you have any other company, contacting you, just tell them, hey, pay me in advance or I will not go. And that's it, because I had many other bad experience with another companies like that. I have a playlist just for that. So if you want to watch all the other videos, you can do that. And if you have any other comment about this company, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.